Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Techno. Welcome back to another video. So I know I just made a video saying that I was quitting for some time, but guess what, I am back. I have decided that I will be staying and I will not care for what people say. Now, I just want to give you guys a quick update of what I think and what I think I will do with this channel. So I will be uploading more content, more iPhone tutorials, more Android tutorials, and all that cool random stuff. Hope you guys do enjoy that, as well as I need some constructive criticism from you guys. So if you guys see that I am doing something wrong or something you don't like, I really need you guys to comment down below and tell me. Be like honest with me, brutally honest. That's totally fine with me, and I will be staying back. Hope you guys stay with me as well. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks a lot for hitting 6K. Let's get started with today's video, guys. Alright, you nubs, so here are the list of VPNs I have. Now this is a really good collection that I've come across and many of my friends have. So starting off with number 1, my personal favorite, VPN. This is one of the fastest VPNs out there, so make sure to install this. All these links are in the description below, so all you have to do is click the description, click the link, and it'll take you straight to the app store. You don't need to look these up. Now all you do is go inside and it'll ask you if you want to pay. Click use free with ads, which will be on the bottom. This is a really good method. Now all you have to do is click connect and it'll start to connect. You guys can see on top it says VPN now. Now it's really cool, and all you have to do is click disconnect here, or you can go disconnect in your general. Alright guys, so we're gonna try one other app just to show you guys that these do work. Go to VPN 365. You guys will see a loading dock. Now these are all the same. They'll ask you to upgrade to pro, but all you have to do is click close use free with ads. Click that, tap connect, click allow. They're all the same process, guys. That's basically it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Leave a like if you did. Also some constructive criticism if you can. Stay subscribed, stay awesome guys. Hope you guys stay with me throughout this journey. Alright guys, peace.